Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to print a Google Doc with comments. Open the Google document to see the comment. After this, from the menu file, click on Download and select the option, Microsoft Word. Open this downloaded document. There, from the File menu, click on Print. Click on Enable Printing and you will see that it is possible to print the comment. You can click on Print to complete the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.